So there was yet another day of severe bloodletting for South Korean markets and on Wall Street, triggered by concerns, of course, over the coronavirus outbreak. Stocks cratered despite both the Bank of Korea and the Federal Reserve's slashing rates in a big way. For more, we have our Yoon Jung-min on the line for us. Jung-min, what's the situation on the markets looking like now?
Well, Mark, the benchmark KOSPI plunged over 4% at the opening on Tuesday morning, but it has started to pick up a bit now. The KOSDAQ was down more than 3% at the opening, but now it's bouncing up and down. This follows the Bank of Korea's decision to slash its key interest rate to a record low of 0.75% in an emergency meeting on Monday. Wall Street also saw another meltdown on Monday. The Dow Jones closed almost 13% lower after its worst day since Black Monday in 1987. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq each tanked by around 12%. Seconds after the opening bell, the S&P 500 dropped 7%, triggering a circuit breaker that halted all trading for 15 minutes. Oil prices plunged to around or below $30 per barrel early Monday as the markets were spooked over the Fed's decision to cut rates to near zero. Brent crude crashed some 11%, while WTI dropped around the same to around $28 a barrel.
Yes, anxiety about the coronavirus outbreak is rising around the world, and there's no better reflection of that than the markets right now. Sticking with a similar topic, but across the Pacific, US President Donald Trump has commented on the outbreak affecting his country. Tell us what he had to say.
Sure. President Trump said the virus may last until this July or August in the U.S., and the U.S. may be heading toward a recession. Here's Trump during the presser.
The stock market took another hit today. Is the U.S. economy heading into a recession?
Well, it may be. We're not thinking in terms of recession. We're thinking in terms of the virus. Once we stop, I think there's a tremendous pent-up demand, both in terms of the stock market and in terms of the economy.
Trump's comment on the COVID-19 pandemic seemed to rattle investors just before the closing bell. That's all I have for now, Mark.